Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today I have a buck or two haul, so let's get started. I went to the buck or two store. So the first thing that I got was Styrofoam Bowls. There's 15 in here and they're $1.25 each. I got Styrofoam plates, again $1.25 for one each, and there's 15 in there. So we got those. And then the smaller Styrofoam plates, there's 20 in there and $1.25 they were. For $1 they had this fruit snacks Welchers, and family owned business. And I bought 2 packages. We've already tried one. They're really yummy. They're just a little wee size candy and they have filling inside. They had Bon Appetit decorating kit, 10 pieces, and it was $5. So this is what it looks like. So it has lots of stuff in it, and it's going to be great for next year. I'll put some up in the background. So I got that to put away. They had these little wee card packs, which are great for junk journaling and putting them in little tuck spots. So, and they were 90 cents each. So I got 2 packages. So they had spray bottles. They are 2 fluid ounces, 60 milliliters. There's 2 of them in there, and they were $1.50 per package. So I got 2 of them. And they're great for all kinds of sprays and dye sprays and all of that. I also got, for $2, mini Dominoes. So this is a package of mini Dominoes. I'll probably do some altered Dominoes at some point, so I thought they would be really cool to try. And for $2. And then the last thing that I got there was a package of napkins. They're 16 count, they're 2-ply, it doesn't matter because I'll be using them in my crafts. And they have a bat and a moon and a tree. So that's everything that I got at Buck or Two. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you all tomorrow. Bye everyone.